Hey guys, so today we're going to be testing out some new Bliss skincare. So if you want to see how these products work, then just keep watching. So I was at Target today and I saw this Bliss, it looks like a rose gold rescue. They have a whole new line is what it looks like, a rose gold line. And so I saw this and decided to pick it up because a while back I bought their triple oxygen self-activating facial with O2 molecules, blah blah. And I really liked this, so I decided to try this. They had something else in rose gold, but to me the toner mist, which is what this is, just it spoke to me because I love lazy skincare, and a toner in a spray form is like yes for me. And then I saw a couple other things that I wanted to pick up. I don't think these things are that new or maybe even new at all, but they're new to me. Let's go over what I got. So the item that is new is the Rose Gold Rescue. It's a soothing toner mist for sensitive skin, and this retails for $9.99. I got mine at Target. Then this is the Hydration Salvation Moisturizing Camila Facial Oil, and this retails for $17.99. And then this is the Drench and Quench Cream to Water Hydrator for All Day Moisture, and this one is $17.99 as well. So let's find something to put my hair back. So let's start with the facial or the toner mist. Let me read about it first. Let me pull it up. It looks like they also came out with a cleanser in this rose gold line. I did not pick that up. It says it is an extra gentle fine toner mist, is formulated with gentle ingredients. It's free of dyes and parabens, infused with a calming rose water or rose flower water and nourishing collagen, gold. It soothes and refreshes for a balanced, glowing complexion. It can be used under makeup as a toner or over makeup as an afternoon pick-me-up. I never believe claims like that. Continuous fine mist. Oh, it's continuous? I didn't notice that. Light moisture without leaving any heavy residue. Beautiful scent, awakens the senses and won't irritate the skin. So let's try this. It says it's supposed to be a continuous mist. But that's not a continuous mist. It's going to stop as soon as this goes down. I will say it's very soft though. Like you almost can't feel it, but I feel it. I definitely smell the rose water in it. On the bottle it just says, shake well, after cleansing and before moisturizing, mist over the face to refresh and calm skin. I feel like the smell just makes me feel like it's doing something. I can feel it. I actually can see a glow. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I can already see the glow. It doesn't say like how many to use or like how many pumps. This is 3.4 fluid ounces. It says it is a 12-month free, or 12-month free, geez. It says the life is 12 months after opening it. It is cruelty-free. Yeah, that's this guy. Let's move on. Alright, let's move on to the moisturizer. What I look for in a moisturizer is something very, 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 very water-like. That's what I personally prefer. I have extremely dry skin, so for me, that just, it's another brain thing. It makes me feel like it's doing its job. So let's see what this is. So like I said before, this is the Drench and Quench Cream to Water Hydrator for All Day Moisture. It is an ultra lightweight moisturizer, transforms into water on contact, surging skin with more than 10,000 marine micro droplets that disappear into your complexion for intense yet weightless hydration. Skin immediately appears soft and healthy while retaining moisture all day with no heavy feel. Directions: massage onto clean skin for 30 seconds, use AM and PM. Alright, so this is what the bottle itself looks like. It's a pretty blue color. And then it does have a little protector. Oh god, these fake nails, I can't grab that very well. Ooh, so it is blue inside as well. Alright, let's just put this on. I'm just going to take it off the lid because there's a lot on it. And then I drench. Ooh, ooh. Oh, it smells good. They weren't kidding. This looks and feels like cream when you touch it. As soon as you start massaging it into the skin, it does feel like the water consistency they're talking about. Ooh, I love that feeling. That reminds me of kind of a little thicker than the primer by Tarte, the Quench primer. I use that a lot because it also feels like water. That one is a little thinner. This is a moisturizer, that's a primer, so this does feel a little thicker than that, but same kind of concept. They both kind of feel watery. Oh man, I already love this. I love this kind of feel. It kind of reminds me, Neutrogena has a Hydro Boost moisturizer. It's kind of the same concept. This one does also though feel a little thicker than that. Okay, last but not least is the Hydration Salvation Moisturizing Camila Facial Oil, which we talked about. Oh, let me go back. This moisturizer is 1.7 fluid ounces and its shelf life is 6 months. Now the oil is 1.3 fluid ounces and its shelf life is 12 months. So both the oil and the toner are 12 months, and then this one is 6 months of of shelf life. But let's be honest, this jar will be gone well before 6 months. Honestly, this will probably be gone before 6 months. Oils for me actually do last a while, but I want to start putting oils in my foundation because I am so dry. I do have problems with pretty much every foundation. So I want to try that and see if that helps. Let's read the instructions. This luxurious vegan facial oil blend is supercharged with 10% fermented Camila oil. It's to deliver tiny antioxidants and moisture-packed molecules that visibly plump, rejuvenate, and replenish even the most parched complexions. Our advanced fermentation process is the secret to our non-greasy formula, providing superior hydration with increased absorption for a fresh, radiant glow. I think it's funny. I can read perfectly fine in my head the second I have to say it out loud, especially for filming. I get tongue-tied, I can't read the word. Anyways, directions, it says to warm 1 to 3 drops in the palm of your hand and then gently press it into the face and neck. You can use it alone, on top of moisturizer, or blend into foundation. Alright, so it says 1 to 3 drops, but yeah, I use more than that. I just use the whole dropper. So warm it up and I don't know what this smells like. It's not terrible. Maybe it's the Camila oil. Maybe that's that specific oil that smells like this and I've never smelled it before. It doesn't stink. It's just not amazing. Like for me, I don't like the smell of all the rose scented things, but I can handle it. I can tolerate it. I just don't really enjoy it. That's kind of how this feels for me. Is it's not that smell. It doesn't smell like that, but it's the same concept for me. I don't enjoy the smell of this, but I can handle it. It's not as bad as my rose oil that I have. That one's intense. But yeah, I mean, it's slightly greasy. I know it said it's not supposed to be, but it does kind of feel a little greasy. Let's go over my thoughts. This toner, I actually think is really nice. I'm just gonna add a little more. I love anything that's in a spray form. I'm really lazy when it comes to skincare, so I really like that this is in the spray form. It does smell like roses, but it's not an overpowering smell. Like my oil that I was telling you about, that one smells so intense. This doesn't smell that bad. It does have the rose scent, but it's light. It's not intense. The moisturizer, I freaking love this. I will definitely rebuy it. I mean, as long as it works. But just off of the first feeling, I love it. And it smells so good. I actually really like the smell of this. I don't know how to describe it other than I like it. Sorry. This, I'll have to keep playing with it. The oil wise, I like it. I think it felt really good on the skin. The smell, it's not pleasant, but it's not unpleasant. So it's pleasant enough that I can handle it. But I'm definitely going to try using it in a foundation too. So out of all of these, I definitely would pick up this if you're just as lazy as me. And if you're as dry as me, I would definitely pick up the moisturizer. So I know this video was really short, but that is all I have. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.